right, Topwater Tony. Everybody's lining up for the Christmas cruise. We got flip phone right there.
Hello, America.
Can't even see you.
Be climbing the hill, and then taking our first left up here. Once we go climb the hill, it'll be the first left.
That'd be Pinnacle.
Yeah, Pinnacle Hill. Yeah, you're used to the area, you know.
All right, we're about to take off. I guess this maybe considered the Christmas cruise or Christmas lights cruise. We're gonna go down to Middletown, Smith Park, check out the Christmas lights and cruise through. How's it going? Oh, I got some light. See a little bit. We got a nice flex. How's it going? Is that the twin turbo model?
Yeah.
Nice. A friend of mine's got one of those. All right, it's got the Christmas spirit.
Yeah.
All right, I don't know if I want to walk way down here, but I guess I will. I think that's a Honda, not for sure. Of course, we got the Challenger. It's pretty cold out here. Hopefully this lighting isn't too bad. Looks okay on my screen. Got the airplanes going. Got a new BRZ. Very nice, very nice. And we got the FRS. The leader, we got the Camaro up here. Hey, hey. To lead us on our way. He's on lower springs and some other suspension products. Looks like we got a late arrival. Hey, get those lights on, can't see you.
Huh?
So you gotta get those lights on, can't see you.
I got you. There you go. No, that's with the bags. Motherfucker don't like turning on lots of times. I get
All right. We got a Mustang here. And way in the back, we got the late arrival, and we got a Trailblazer SS. They came from Hamilton. I think I've seen this before at the shows. And it's a VW, okay. My bad. Good. SS is sounding good. Alright, back to Flip Phone's car. Get back where it's warm. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Just told everybody you got a celebrity here. Flip phone.
Here. No comment. All right, we just got here to Smith Park, light up Middletown, and this place is pretty packed. All right, I guess I didn't need the light. Wow, they got lights even way over there. Last time I wasn't way over there. Of course, that was like 5-6 years ago when I was last here. Hell, I don't remember.
Well, the window down, experience. Do they have music and everything?
They might.
Wow. I guess we're not getting out and walking around, that's for sure.
I don't even know if you're allowed to. I'll see why not. Light up Middletown. The payment, I guess, is whatever you want to pay, whatever kind of donations. Look at all the candy canes. Pretty elaborate.
Hard to believe this is the same place we went to for the Shriner show.
Mm-hmm. We started out with a group, but we had to stop at a red light, and we got separated, but I guess some of the group behind us, which is maybe 4 cars, followed us here. I hear a doggy.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
If I can reach it.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Tunnel of lights.
Which way we go?
To the right.
Oh.
You don't want to go head on into some idea. That would be a good video, though. Head on crash at.
Quality music turned to 98.9.
We can't do music. Head on collision at Light Up Middletown. Film at 11. Video on YouTube.
Well, we were at a show in Springfield where they had a crash right before the award gave out. Come on. That was interesting.
Was it a show car?
Yeah. Yeah, motorcycle too. Vintage show.
Slowly creep through the lights. Person behind us still got their lights on. Need to read the sign.
Everybody does. I don't think you need them when you're driving all these through lights there.
You're supposed to turn them off.
That's why That's why the one lady had her lights off when she was coming out here.
Yep.
Jack, home behind me has got his lights on.
That's what I just said. Don't you listen to anything I say?
Well, so do they too.
He has a hard time hearing.
I never pay attention. Oh, this is big.
Barely see the pond down there.
I know.
They used to have like lights out in the pond. Oh, maybe. I think that's on. I can't tell.
Turn your lights off.
There it goes. Reindeers catching a fish.
Turn your lights off. Park went back this far.
Back part runs parallel with the
When we did the car
property
show,
of the
We did a car show.
Airport.
They just parked out in front there. Oh, that's nice.
Ho, ho, ho.
We're buying send this to my sister or something. Is that just like send a picture? You just send the video?
You can send a link. Just like I send links to you.
Wonder what installed this stuff during the year.
Some warehouse, I would imagine.
I wonder if it's different setup like every year. I wonder if they, add stuff to it or subtract stuff to it. I wonder.
They probably do. It's the same thing every year. People wouldn't keep coming.
Just to plan this thing out, it's amazing. Neat the effect they give off the water.
That's called a reflection.
Well, I know it's kind of neat though.
It's science. Science. There we go. They got the dragon out in the pond.
Oh yeah.
I knew they put something out there. You got a big whale up there. Some ice skaters. People taking pictures. Lights over here. And another lighted archway.
So is this bigger than Land Illusion, you think?
Right now it kind of looks about the same, but maybe Land Illusion might be a little bigger. I'm not for sure. A big whale. I thought that sounded like Africa.
Yeah.
I bless the reindeer down in Africa. It sounds like Straight No Chaser, that acapella group.
Or pentatonics.
Yeah, that's right. Turn that music off. Turn that music off. Oh! That's super loud.
I'm awake now. Batman's Robin.
Yeah. Amazon.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
That giraffe's kind of cool. Picking a present and putting on in the stocking. Or is that a T-Rex? Oh, look at the water skiing Santa.
Jet ski.
Just neat.
Now for these lights, I should have brought my other camera
Well, great.
to zoom in and whatnot.
We're not going back. At least it's not too crowded. I mean, you can move. You're not stopping a lot, which is good. It's going too slow.
Brakes. You got some sponsors?
That's what a car show was.
It's like they need to expand over here.
Mm-hmm.
Last time I was here, they didn't have this extra section. So that might be what they're going to work on for next year.
I'm thinking you're probably right.
Picking it up a little bit.
Make it bigger and bigger.
Shake those hips, girl.
Just a hula hula. Bathroom, need to go. Potty break.
I wonder if the first group pulled over and stopped somewhere.
I wonder.
We're almost at 16 minutes so far. O-H, I-O, O-H, I-O.
Oh! That's pretty neat.
Yep.
Baseball ball. Boom! Home run. Oh,
Baseball been Betty good to me.
Babe Ruth struck out. It's pretty neat. I've never been to one of these before. These drive-through things, I've heard of them. This one definitely ups the bar from other ones if I would ever go to, I think. This is pretty neat. You read about the water and everything.
Mm-hmm.
How the hell do you get out of here now?
Make it right.
You can't. Oh, I guess you can. Take a left. backseat driver.
Your donations make this light, or this light display possible.
Got out just in time. Look at the line now.
I thought the car show guys would have parked over here just to wait for people,
You would think.
gather them up. So I don't know if we beat them, they beat us, if they're already gone, if they're still coming. We'll probably see them over here in the line. Hey, good show.
Don't see them yet.
So if you want, you can make a right, and we'll take the back way back home.
Is that a quicker way? Because again, some of us have to work tomorrow. Just saying.
Where's the mini light? Still got the mini light in here? Lost it. Okay. This is a different one.
Oh.
All right, guys. Well, that's it for the light up Middletown display. It's pretty cool. Hopefully this video turns out. I can't remember if I did Christmas lights with the little GoPro or not. But either way, it's going to be posted, and it is what it is. All right, until next time, we'll catch you later. And peace.